Total was dragged to a Paris court Wednesday by an alliance of non-governmental organizations who accused the company of ignoring human rights and environmental abuses in its oil projects in Uganda and Tanzania. The hearing of the case, filed in 2017, was delayed by a procedural battle that Total eventually lost. They lied to us when they explained that it was Total Uganda that was concerned and not Total Energies, the company that's based in France. The one that went on February 1st to sign the investment decision with the Ugandan president was Mr. Puyan. The one who came to Kampala to sign the decision was Mr. Puyan, the boss of Total, who came from Paris. Moreover, Mr. Museveni, since the European Parliament asked to stop the work, the Ugandan president has been getting angry, saying it was Puyan who convinced me. Total's Tilenga project is located in a national park, while a planned oil pipeline through Tanzania has been criticized for running through fragile ecosystems and displacing people. We can see that they are playing with legal uncertainties, and that the objective is to also fill them at the European level to deny victims justice. The multinational says the projects comply with relevant environmental laws and that victims have received compensation. In September, the European Parliament passed a resolution condemning the projects, prompting outrage from the Ugandan side. We're asking very clearly that Total be directed, as part of its duty of care, to put an end to the serious violations that are taking place on the spot, in particular by sending food aid, by immediately paying compensation to the people, who are still more than 28,000 and are deprived of the right to use their land. We're also here to be the voice of civil society in Uganda, Tanzania and East Africa, who are fiting for this land, who dare to criticize these projects, sometimes at the risk of their lives. Uganda hopes to start oil production in 2025. The East African country's oil reserves are estimated at 6.4 billion barrels, but only 1.4 billion are recoverable.